Hello, this is Steve. We're here in Rancho Santa Fe, California, which is a suburb of San Diego. We're over at this amazing home that they built this cellar with some really cool stuff, as you can see. So why don't we come on in and take a look at it. Okay, hello, this is Steve, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the wine cellar we're doing here in Rancho Santa Fe again. So some really great things about this cellar is it brings in some of our alcohol lit up panels that we have, and it's kind of cool to be able to see this. So let me kind of show you a couple things here. This is one of our Barolo doors. It's oversized. I think it's good 8.5 feet. But what we did is we also did a eyebrow arch on top. He wanted to kind of match some of the other eyebrow arches or arches that he has in the rest of the home to kind of tie into this. So we did the arch to tie in the rest of the house. And then what we have here too is we have an automatic door bottom that seals the bottom of the door, so you have no threshold or no sill to kind of to go flows. The flooring goes all the way into the room. Oversized base molding as well. All the doors are LVL core doors, which means it's laminated veneer lumber with alder wood, guaranteed never to warp for the life of the door. It's got the Q-Lon seal. We did a nice burgundy paint on the wall.
What's a Q-Lon seal?
A Q-Lon seal is just a way to seal the door to minimize the air gaps within the door. What you're going to notice as soon as you walk into this room, you don't hear the cooling unit. And that's a big thing. We used US Cellar Systems HS unit. It is a ducted unit up in the attic. The condensing unit is outside. So you just don't hear the cooling unit at all. It maintains a perfect 58 degrees, anywhere from 50, right now it's saying about 55 to 58 degrees with a good 45% humidity factor. One of the most coolest aspects of this room, you know, they're not big wine drinkers, but they do like their alcohol, is showing these this alcohol lit up panels. And as you can see, they have some absinthe and some really cool looking bottles that they wanted to showcase on the light panels. Gives us an extra design or extra look that you have. One of my favorite features also in the wine room is the horizontal display bottles. So when you walk in, nice lit up bottles coming all the way down this entire row. We have another row of the horizontal display bottles, and then the standard 750s, which the cork forwards, along with our drawer that holds a lot of the bottle holders, self-closing, and puck lights, as well as a nice carved arch for you too. Down here we have some diamond bins, and then this is a reveal with a light valance to be able to showcase the bottles here in the reveal. You know, the owner didn't want the cellar to go all the way to the top. He wanted to have a top shelf. So up top is a top shelf made out of the same wood we have here, which is knotty alder, with a rustic stain and lacquer.
So where is the actual cooling system located?
So the cooling unit, again, it's a US Cellar Systems HS ducted unit, and with the ducted unit we can put it up in the attic. So it's up in the attic right above us and just ducted right down below. And then the condensing unit is outside in the garden area and covered with flowers and bushes and such.
Yeah, I've got to say, it is the quietest cellar I think I've ever been in. You can barely hear anything.
It's a great quality unit. Definitely is it's on, and you can't even hear barely hear anything at all. It's a low hum.